Today, we're going to talk about the basic principles of composting and using compost in your garden. Composting is a natural process that turns organic materials into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. It's a great way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste, and it can also help to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. To start a compost pile, you'll need a mix of green materials, such as fruit and vegetable scraps, and brown materials, such as leaves and twigs. The green materials provide nitrogen, while the brown materials provide carbon. To keep your compost pile healthy, you'll need to turn it regularly. This helps to aerate the pile, which helps to speed up the decomposition process. After a few months, your compost pile will be ready to use. You can use a compost sieve to separate the finished compost from any larger pieces that haven't yet broken down. You can use compost in your garden to improve soil structure, add nutrients, and promote healthy plant growth. It's a great way to add organic matter to your soil, which can help to retain moisture and improve drainage. By understanding the basic principles of composting and using compost in your garden, you can improve the health and productivity of your garden while also reducing waste. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!